Hello guys, my name is Aftab and in this video we are going to install MongoDB Community Edition in our Ubuntu machine 18.04. So what is MongoDB? So MongoDB is an open source document database and it is used to manage unmanaged database. So in our first step we need to import the key. So we need to copy this command and go to your terminal and execute just like this. And after that we need to go ahead another command. So here we need to add our MongoDB repository. So you can use this command for Ubuntu 16.04 and for 18.04 this, and if you are using 20.04, so you can use this command. So in my case I have Ubuntu 18.04, so I need to copy this command and after that I need to execute on this terminal just like this, and after that we need to update the repository by using this command. So it's a sudo apt update command which will update the Ubuntu current repository for us. And once is done, so we are ready to install MongoDB package. So it is done, and after that we need to execute this command to install MongoDB. Just copy and execute in your terminal. So here we can see that the installation process is ongoing, so we need to wait till then. Okay, so it is installed right now. So we need to check MongoDB service. So we need to use systemctl status MongoDB. So we can see that MongoDB service is not running right now by default. So we need to start it. And again we need to check what is the status. So MongoDB is up and running. To get the cell of MongoDB, we need to type Mongo. So we have logged in successfully. So we can use some command. Okay, I have typed wrong command. It's a so dbs command. So we can see that by default we have three dbs admin config local. So I hope you will like this video, and in upcoming days I'm going to create a training course of MongoDB. So please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. And also I'm going to share this article link in video description. So you can use this article link to install any environment. Thank you.